வணக்கம் நண்பா, வெல்கம் டு ஃபுடி ஃபிட் டிராவலர்ஸ். திஸ் இஸ் ஸ்ரீஹரன் பாலன். அண்ட் ரொம்ப நாள் கழிச்சு ஒரு வீடியோ, ஏன்னா லிட்டில் பிஸி ஆயிடுச்சு ஒர்க்ல. பட் தரமான தெரியான ஒரு நியூஸோட வந்திருக்கோம். பிகாஸ் தமிழ்நாடு இஸ் ஒஃபிஷியலி அன்லாக்டவுன். ஆமாங்க, this is literally a surprise news. ஏன்னா ஆகஸ்ட் எண்ட்ல இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நியூஸ் வந்தப்ப I was just thinking this is some fake news because அவங்க கொடுத்த அன்லாக்டவுன் லிஸ்ட் பார்த்தா லாக்டவுன் சொல்றாங்க, but still everything is open. So that's how the list was. So I'm just here to tell you what and all are unlocked down. First is they said banks and offices, government offices can work with 100% employees. So இதுவரைக்கும் there was 50% employees. Now they say 100% employees can come in. I always wonder if 100% now where will be the social distancing, but it's okay, that's government rules. Next, already gyms and the play areas, they opened it. So I think the SOPs are still there. But one unfortunate situation is I think most of the gyms are not following it. I could see some videos also where my friends and all post. None of them are wearing even masks or even a face shield. And social distancing, selfie photos na varudhu ella katti pidichittu photo edutittu irukanga. So that is also going for nuts. But I think we have to maintain that, because gyms are a place, or any workout areas, the place where you sweat. You don't know when you spit or your saliva comes out, which is very, very dangerous. So we have to be very careful with it. Next is most important is the e-pass, which is cancelled in illa. I think பெரிய விஷயத்தை எடுத்துட்டாங்க, because every movement wanted an e-pass, intra-district movement or e-pass தேவைப்பட்டுச்சு, which is not there anymore. Yet, if you're going to Ooty, Kodaikanal and any hill stations for tourism, definitely you need to apply for an e-pass, which the collector will approve it. So that is very important. And again, if you're flying down from any city, or you're flying down from any country, or you're traveling in train into Tamil Nadu na, கண்டிப்பா e-pass தேவைங்க. So please remember, e-pass ஃபுல்லாவே எடுக்கல, intra district மட்டும் எடுத்திருக்காங்க. That is one great thing for us, because a lot of people were stuck, வர முடியாம இருந்தாங்க. இது ஒரு நல்ல விஷயம்னே சொல்லலாம். And another is the buses, I think which is very important. Most of them in Chennai who work எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் அவுட்ஸ்கர்ட்ஸ்ல இருந்தனால ஆஃபீஸ் ஆரம்பிச்சாலும் வரக்கூடிய சூழ்நிலை இல்லாம இருந்துச்சு. ஏன்னா அவங்களுக்கு வெஹிக்கிள்ஸ் இல்லாம இருந்துச்சு. It is very far அந்த மாதிரி. And plus see, coming on a car and going back was not an easy thing on budget also for a lot of people, even bikes in that case. So I think buses have started, and till yesterday I thought, okay, the buses were little empty. It was not like how crowded it used to be. It was little empty. I think they are only taking people, how many people can sit inside. So that is a good thing. Same way, intra-district buses have also started, which is also a good thing where people can travel. And finally, most important thing is tourism. Hotels, resorts are officially open. In fact, we were wondering, how this is going to happen, how people are going to open up. Even hoteliers, it's a very, very sad situation. Tourism industry was the first ones to be affected. In fact, since January, even when people in India were not aware of COVID, we knew COVID was something, it's going to take a big toll. So அதே மாதிரி இருக்கப்ப tourism industry would be the last industry to come up பண்ணாங்க. But luckily, touchwood, the resorts and hotels are open. I don't want to tell this very selfishly. Why? Because see, it is also an industry that earns, and locking that down doesn't make sense. Because I tell you, when they started trains ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க, but immediately cancel பண்ணி flights விட்டாங்க. Because I'll tell you, it is easier to follow the SOPs because they already have that infrastructure. Same way, hotels and resorts, they already have a set infrastructure. உள்ள வரப்பே ஒரு check-in system இருக்கு. They have to give their details. It's all properly done already. So little bit of hygiene and sanitization is required, which I think my hotelier friends are already on it. And எல்லாருமே they're doing an amazing job. I saw a lot of videos of hotels who are prepared to welcome guests. It is ultimate. They are all ready to welcome you with complete safety and hygiene. I think இது சொல்லணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை, because I tell you, already this weekend நிறைய bookings வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. A lot of people are driving down to Mahabalipuram, they're driving down to Thiruvannamalai, Vellore, இதெல்லாமே இருக்கு. So I think it is good for the industry, but again, safety is important. But I will tell you, I will vouch one thing. ஒரு விஷயம் நான் சொல்றேன், நம்ம grocery store விசிட்டை விட ஒரு ஹோட்டல் ஸ்டே சேஃபா இருக்கும். 100% of the doubt because so much of cleanliness is done, so much of hygiene is done. When the guest checks out, they make sure they clean it. They don't immediately give that room to the next guest. Olunga check in pandranga. So everything is properly taken care of. So I think we needn't worry about all this. When people say, "Ayyo, idana tourism life vachu na tour poduma," appala onnume kedaiyadhu, because a lot of my clients also ஏன்னா டூர்ன்றது ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு எக்ஸாஸ்ட் மாதிரி. நம்ம உண்மையில 5.5 மாசம் அப்படியே வீட்டுக்குள்ளே அடைஞ்சிருக்கும். This is the high time we go out, explore, enjoy with safety, with proper precautions, and choose good hotels. அதுதான் நான் திருப்பி நான் சொல்ற விஷயம் என்னன்னா, good service, good hotels, very important. Just because you want to go to a வேணும்ட்டே போயிட்டு கொரோனா வைரஸ் எடுத்துட்டு வரதுல I think there is no sense about it. So probably choose nice properties which have good SOPs எல்லாமே. So that is very important. And finally, temples, worship areas. I think a lot of people miss personally, because I have a routine that every Saturday I used to go. எனக்கு அது ரொம்ப ஒரு கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சு. But again, I think worship places are open and hopefully SOPs follow பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன், because it's difficult. See, கடவுள்ன்றது எல்லாராலையும் ஆக்சஸ் ஆகக்கூடிய ஒரு நபர். ஸோ அப்படி இருக்கிறப்ப இதுல படிச்சவன் படிக்காதவனை விட sensible, non-sensible, people are like that. I could see most of the educated, so-called educated people don't wear masks, don't follow social distancing, whereas even the person in the road are following, are maintaining that. So in fact, temples and worship places, churches, mosque is open. So please maintain social distancing. I would not call it a good thing, but at least life must go on. See, we can't sit inside, because we all expected a 21-day lockdown first, then a 14-day lockdown, everything will be fine. But when we listen to WHO, this is not getting over anytime soon. So hopefully at least we have to learn to live with it, but also understand there are elders, there are kids at home. You should be very, very safe. Even though you are immune, it is not necessarily that they will be immune. So வெளியே இருந்து ஒரு நோயை எடுத்துட்டு வந்து வீட்டுக்கு கொடுக்கறது is almost like killing the person. So please understand all that and make sure you follow safety standards while you're going to work, while you're going to any crowded places. Life must go on at any point of time. So with that note, I would also assure you that we will have regular videos, not only these kinds of Zoom videos or recording videos with the plain background. We are going to travel, so definitely lot of videos are going to come. So stay tuned to Foodie Fit Travelers. Please comment, like and subscribe, and wait for more such nice videos. Thank you so much.